Looking for some great coffee cocktail recipes or espresso cocktail recipes? I'm going to show you how to make my version of the pumpkin spice latte at home on the cheap right in your kitchen. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin spice latte with a kick that rivals, frankly, any of the other ones that are out there by some of those chains. Now if you're new to this channel and you're looking for the best advice in all things cocktail or bartending, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down here and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a video when it comes out. Now, I came up with this pumpkin spice latte recipe basically out of necessity. I had a craving for it and unfortunately there wasn't a Starbucks anywhere in sight. No judgment, please. We all have our guilty pleasures. Now, by the time I was actually able to get a Starbucks pumpkin spice latte, I was a little disappointed because after I had that first sip of it, I realized I liked mine better. Of course, cocktails with coffee and espresso cocktails have been around, well, pretty much forever. But the secret to this coffee recipe lies not only in its pumpkin spice syrup, but in the last two ingredients, which of course gives what is now one of my favorite hot cocktails, its kick. Now, if you don't have a big fancy espresso machine in your house, like I don't, you're only going to need two inexpensive pieces of equipment, a mocha pot and a handheld milk frother. But don't worry about trying to hunt any of these things down. I went ahead and put links in the description so you can pick those things up if you don't already have them. Now, after you're done watching this video and you're wondering how you can replicate the recipe with a different flavor besides pumpkin spice latte, go ahead and check out this video right here so you can check out how to make different flavored syrups on your own at home. Now, this pumpkin spice syrup recipe will yield you about 25 ounces or 750 milliliters. So it should last you for a pretty decent amount of time. All you're going to do is take 8 ounces of water, 2 parts sugar to whatever you use to measure the water in, 6 cinnamon sticks, 2 whole cloves, and 4 1-inch pieces of ginger. Now you want to crush all these together just so that when you add it to the mixture, it really starts to release all the oils and all the flavors into your syrup. Take 3 teaspoons of whole clove, and finally 3 teaspoons of pimento or allspice, however you call it. Throw everything into the pot and put that over a medium heat, then stir until the sugar dissolves and let it come to a boil. Once that's done, keep checking the mixture for your desired viscosity, and once you got it sticky enough, then you go ahead and remove it from the heat and allow it to cool, then simply just bottle it for storing. Now, I'd love to hear from you guys. What are some of your favorite seasonal hot cocktails? Go ahead and drop it in the comments below and share it with the rest of the community so we could all try them out for ourselves, maybe enjoy something new this season. Next up, it's time to grab your mocha pot and then make your mocha pot espresso. All you're going to do for this step is take the bottom portion of the mocha pot and put the water in up until you get to the safety valve. Take the chamber, put some espresso in there, pat it down a bit, and then seal it. Place the mocha pot over medium heat on the stove and then just let it start to percolate. Now, of course, you could pop the top and watch to make sure it's all coming out nicely and you check it when it's finished. But of course, once you start hearing that gurgling sound, your espresso is pretty much done. For your next step, take 2 to 3 ounces of whole milk and heat it up. You can either put it in the microwave for a minute or you could do it on the stove, completely up to you. But then after that, take your handheld milk frother and start to work it up and down into the milk. Now, once you start to aerate the milk, it'll pretty much almost double in size. While you're frothing it, spend a little bit of time at the top of the milk so that it starts to kind of tighten a bit, pretty much peak so that you can see and know that you have a nice good froth going, perfect for your latte. And now for my favorite part. Grab your favorite coffee mug, add 2 ounces of the espresso that you just made, 1 ounce of your pumpkin spice syrup, the kick of course, 1 ounce of rum, and you can use, I prefer to use a gold rum in this one, and then of course the milk that you just frothed, and go ahead and pour that into your mug. And then at this point, if you want to add some whipped cream, you can go ahead and do so. It's completely up to you. Some people like it, some people don't. I'm not a big fan of whipped cream in mine, but then you add your second kick. Just go ahead and zest a nice tangerine and orange over the froth or your whipped cream, and as it were. And there you have it. My version of the pumpkin spice latte with a kick. Perfect cocktail to kick off the fall. Great if you just need hot cocktails for the winter. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead, head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, hit the link in the description and download our free PDF training, which is the Barprints cheat sheet, help you go from a novice bartender to a pro in just under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, go ahead and give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to get some more great bartending advice, don't forget to check out these videos right here. See you in the next one. Cheers.